Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out Plan B and his Bitcoin analysis for 2022. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content we do here on this channel. Let's get right into the video. Investment advisor and Bitcoin strategist Plan B is extremely optimistic on the 2022 outlook for Bitcoin. He announced some good news for all enthusiasts of Bitcoin on Twitter, which is a refreshing surprise given that many shareholders are still buzzing after the Bitcoin 2022 conference in Florida earlier this month. Plan B has updated us on how quickly Bitcoin will reach $100,000, and he appears to be optimistic. Let's start with a tweet from the Bitcoin analyst about the current forecast. His iconic stock-to-flow methodology, as well as the market cap peak for 2022, are among the Bitcoin analyst's tweets about the current estimate. Plan B's prediction of Bitcoin going to $100,000 is incumbent on the realized market cap of $750 billion. He says Bitcoin price can go down, but realized cap not so much, thanks to hodlers. In fact, realized cap, the average cost price of all 19 million Bitcoin, is near the all-time high at $466 billion. I have no doubt that realized cap will lead Bitcoin to next price all-time high. I expect $100,000 Bitcoin at $750 billion realized cap. Unlike gold, the rate at which Bitcoin's supply grows will constantly decline, eventually reaching zero once the currency's limit of 21 million coins is reached. Bitcoin's high still remains at $69,000, which we saw last November. If it surpasses that, most analysts say the upward trend will likely rise until Bitcoin reaches 100,000. Despite the fact that Bitcoin lost about half of its value during the meltdown that followed the November peak, its market cap has remained nearly unchanged. The market cap is trending near to the all-time high, as Plan B predicted in his tweet. This could signal that the holders of Bitcoin are really steering the price, and if the trend holds, Bitcoin could soon be worth $100,000 or more. Plan B says both stock-to-flow models and logarithmic regression point to 100,000. He says that he is one of the few who thinks we're in a normal cycle and that we'll go down again after the all-time high, and that everybody hopes for the super cycle or for the hyper-Bitcoinization to start right now, and that we do not have a big crash after next all-time highs. But as much as he hopes that we don't see the crash, he thinks we will. Plan B thinks we'll be managed by greed right now and by fear later on, and see another minus 80% after we top out at a couple $100,000. Of course, technological is the better money and markets are maturing. The cash and carry trade that we talked a lot about last year almost completely disappeared, which is a normal sign of maturing markets. And Plan B's worldview as an ex-institutional investor is all about arbitrage. And in the beginning, there was arbitrage in Bitcoin, but only with exchanges in Korea, Europe, and the US. And then catching the differences was an easy way to make money. But it's obvious for Bitcoiners that the trend in the price and the fact that it's better technology means it'll win and be adopted over time and be larger than the volatility. That means big opportunities in the months and years to come. Of course, the big play we're seeing right now is very interesting with the arbitrage in the fiat world. And because Bitcoin can be seen as a foreign exchange, not even a tech stock or a commodity, but foreign like a currency, it has an interest rate. You can exchange it with other currencies, so you can make very hard arbitrages there with enormous sums of money, and it wouldn't be surprising. Some traditional parties are doing that. And with the central bank, as long as they position themselves in a corner where they can't get out, they can't raise interest rates, they will eliminate the stock market bond, market real estate, and the economy. Nobody wants to do that. So they're printing money more and more while saying they're tapering, which Plan B thinks it's the only thing they can do. But that creates opportunities for arbitrage-minded people and savvy investors, so that will be a big drive in the market for years to come. Let us know in the comments section down below what you think about Plan B's price prediction and where you think Bitcoin is headed in the current market. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Library of Wealth. We'll see you in the next video.